Imagine a world where everyday challenges become opportunities, where repetitive tasks run on autopilot, and your business scales with the smart precision of artificial intelligence. AI for Founders takes you from basic concepts to actionable strategies, empowering you to weave AI into your business operations in a deeply practical way. As a founder juggling growth, strategy, team management, and finances, you deserve a course that speaks directly to your needs without unnecessary jargon. This training offers clear insights and real-world examples that demonstrate how AI can streamline your operations. From automating routine tasks to providing you with sharp, real-time analytics that inform confident decisions, every lesson is built to deliver immediate value. The course breaks down complex technological concepts into understandable steps, giving you practical tools that free up your time and allow you to concentrate on creative, high-impact work. Beyond the strategies and tools, most courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. It's about receiving not just knowledge, but a credential that marks your progress and readiness to face modern business challenges head-on. With continuously updated content that covers everything from automation guides and AI-driven prompts to comprehensive eBooks and audiobooks, you always have the latest insights at your fingertips. Discover all the AI for Founders training courses at completeaitraining.com and take charge of your future with confidence.